Afternoon all, just a quick video regarding the fuel line on the Chinese diesel heater. Now, this morning I've dug out the portable diesel heater that I made a few months back, about 5-6 months ago, because I'm going to use it next week for the Dubbed Out Festival. I'm going to take this with me rather than install one in a van at the moment. So, as usual, I'll give it a good run and see if there's any leaks or anything. Now let me go from the start. So I specifically used this green line just to see how long it would last. There's a lot of different opinions online, on the forums, whatever else, about how bad it is, how good it is, whatever. My first couple of installs in a van, this is all they supplied, and I used that, and I didn't have no issues. Since they've been supplying the white stuff, that is all I use. It's brilliant, it's solid, you can feel the difference in it. That is what I use now. That ain't perishing or going nowhere. But yeah, I specifically used the green line because of a lot of the opinions. I thought I'd try it out for myself and have a look. Now, like I say, it's been sat in the shed since the T4 build, which is probably 4 months ago or something like that. It's not long, it's no more than 6 months ago. And I've checked all the line everywhere else, it's fine, there's no perishing or nothing else. But it did start leaking from this coming out of here, which is this bit. Now, I don't know if the camera's going to focus very well on it. Where's the bit? So you can see that there's a lot of perishing and marks and scarring or whatever on the pipe. And then if you look a bit closer, look at the hole in it. And that's not been moved, touched at all. It's been sat in the shed. That has just perished over time. But yeah, look at the hole in it. And that's not just that bit. I mean, there's loads of little holes everywhere and whatever else just over time. So proves to me that whoever disagrees with using the green line, you're right. And I'm glad I used it on this diesel heater just to try it out. Like I say, I only ever use this white line in vans now anyway. That's what they give you in these diesel heaters. I would never use the green line again in the diesel heater, in a van build. I've only used it in a portable diesel heater to test it. So if you have got the green line in your build, just keep an eye on it. Like, I'm not telling you to use it, not to use it, whatever, you make your own mind up. But just be aware that this can happen. I mean, that's a state, that's just one bit I've cut off. And it really is a state, look at that. And that's just over time, it's hardly been used. So yeah, if you have got this green line in your build, just keep an eye on it, change it if you can, but keep an eye on it. If you're finding these scarring marks and this old scratches, marks and all that lot, so yeah, change it, definitely change it. But yeah, so as usual, just a nice quick video, a little update, hopefully help a few of you out. I'll be back soon with the LT walk around. It's near enough finished. I ain't going to do a video yet of it until it's done. But yeah, stay tuned. Thanks all.